ladies and gentlemen, this is Ernest, and today I am demonstrating the importance of using a console cable. So here is a PC and a switch, and the main purpose is to connect this PC to a console cable on the switch. So this is the RS represent the port that you need to connect on the PC, and then on the console port on the switch itself. So when that is done, you open the terminal and you accept this default configuration. So load is loading. Okay, so enable show running config. See that we don't have any configuration for the moment. Let's see what we got here. Nothing. So now we're gonna go into the global configuration mode. Config T, that's configure terminal. That's just a short form. Banner, I want to define a banner. Message of the day. Okay. Unauthorized access is prohibited. Okay, I want to enable the password. Enable password. I'm going to give a simple password. Cisco. Define the line console. Line console 0, which means only one connection at a time. Password. Okay. Login. Exact timeout. I will give 5 minutes. Login synchronous. Good. Now I want to define the line VTY. That's the one that you can use SSH or Telnet to remote into your system. Line VTY 0 through 15. Okay. Now I'll define a password for that as well. Login. Exec timeout. Login synchronous. Good. I want to disable domain lookup. no IP domain okay, I see the problem. Okay, no IP domain lookup. Good. Sorry. So I wanna configure the domain. Yeah, domain IP domain. I'm gonna give uh, IP domain name. Just say cisco.com for training purposes. Okay, now number 8 item here is to define a username, admin, password. Okay, so wanna assign an IP address for management interface. So interface VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.12.254. That's it. Yeah, 255.255.255.0. That's the subnet mask right there. Now I wanna define the the default gateway that should fall in the same subnet. Okay, let's bring this interface of the VLAN interface not shut down, not shut down. Good, the interface is up. We exit IP default gateway 192.168.12.1. That's the same network. And I think that we have done everything, so let's check our configuration. Show running config. So these are all the configuration we have done. See, that's the domain we defined. That's the password. You see, the password is in the clear, so we need to do something about that. Okay, that's the console information that we have configured. So config terminal service password encryption. Now if we come back there, we'll see that the information now has been encrypted. Show running config. So you see our password is encrypted now. You can see that. So now we need to save our configuration. So copy running config to startup config. So everything is saved now. Hello friends, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye now.